Are you struggling to get your website noticed? The secret lies in mastering both on-page and off-page SEO. On-page SEO involves optimizing elements on your website to improve its search engine rankings. Think of it as making your content better for both users and search engines. This includes writing unique titles for your pages and adding links between them. Optimizing images on your site is also a crucial part of on-page SEO. On the other hand, off-page SEO is all about enhancing your website's reputation. It involves getting other websites to link to your site, promoting your brand on social media, and managing reviews. Both on-page and off-page SEO are essential for increasing your visibility in search results. Google considers both factors when ranking search results, so balancing them is key. Focus on on-page SEO first to help Google understand your pages and ensure a great user experience. You have control over on-page SEO since it involves direct changes to your website. Off-page SEO can be trickier as it relies on others endorsing your website, but a better reputation can give you a competitive edge in search rankings. Title tags are a vital on-page SEO factor, telling search engines what your page is about. Make sure your title tags accurately describe the page and include primary keywords. Meta descriptions, though not directly influencing rankings, can affect click-through rates. Keep meta descriptions appealing and concise to attract more clicks. URL slugs should be descriptive yet concise, helping search engines and users understand the page. Use heading tags to structure your content, making it easier to scan and navigate. Focus on creating original, accurate, and helpful content to perform well in search. Address search intent by understanding the underlying goal behind a user's query. Use tools to find keywords and analyze their intent to tailor your content. Alt text for images helps search engines and screen readers understand what the image depicts. Internal links help search engines discover all your content and understand how it fits together. Page experience is crucial. Users want fast, secure, and easy-to-navigate web pages. Backlinks from other websites can boost your authority and improve search rankings. Creating and optimizing your Google Business profile can help local businesses reach more customers. Social media SEO can indirectly benefit your website's search performance by boosting authority and brand awareness. NAP citations in online directories help search engines verify your business information. Reviews and ratings on third-party platforms can affect your reputation and local rankings. Balancing on-page and off-page SEO is essential for a successful SEO strategy. Start optimizing today and watch your website climb the search rankings. Unlock your website's potential with the power of SEO.